Good evening, everyone. I'm really excited because I finally got this commission piece, I think pretty much where I want it. In fact, I'm so positive about it. I'm going to put a little bit of a clear coat on it tonight. And then maybe I might still need to go back in and touch up some stuff. Music that you have playing in the background is Beach Music in My Soul, as you just heard, by Siobhan Leslie and the Boys Night Out. Of course, it's Carolina beach music, and this is really somewhere near Destin, Florida, an imagination place. But beach music is beach music, and it's got that special roll to it. So I'm going to pick up the camera right now and kind of move around the painting. Don't critique me too much on things where brush strokes are in there. I mean, that's just the way I paint. I'm not going to go back and rework it, and make it just the way it's supposed to be, because it isn't. So, anyway, let me take you a tour on this more than just one moment painting, and we'll see if we can't get in here and tell the story. Let's see. Kind of starts out with Mother and her famous wave as she leaves to go down with her grandson and the lady who has this commissioned. It's her nephew, and they're walking down to do a walk along the beach at nighttime or at sunset. And of course, we've got the sunset, and we got some of the palm trees. And a lot of places you may not see all these, but in Destin, but they are down there. But anyway, and then we got some of the typical flowers that grow along the beach, and of course the dunes. And then we got some butterflies. And the butterflies are to remind you of life, and people when they pass are not always away from you. They're always somewhere there. And as you can see, I must be pretty confident in what I've done, because I have made a signature. And so now we'll just kind of move along the water line. And again, you can see the traces of the brush as it doesn't necessarily always soak into the canvas and into the painting. So I did find a couple of shells when I was working on this, and the shells just kind of appeared down here in the middle. And of course, we got some finch line that came in. So, at any rate, there's my favorite word again. Bottom line is, this one's pretty close to being finished. I'll let you see me put a little bit of clear coat on it. This is what I use, and it comes out as kind of a milky white color, and as it dries, it will dry clear. And actually, as it goes on, it becomes pretty clear. So I'm just going to do the water right through the middle right now, just to kind of give you an idea of how I apply it. One thing I don't like to do is have a nice shirt on But for this last video of this painting, I thought I'd go ahead and have a shirt from Orange Beach that I got. Again, not San Destin, but for the Destin area. But
it seems life was losing all its fun. Always loving on the run. There was nothing to be done. With you, I turned my whole thing around. Get myself up on the ground. Come to these arms, I want to embrace you. You are my baby, I'll never replace you. Oh, Brenda, my Brenda, I'm thinking about your love, and you're all that I'm dreaming of. Oh, Brenda, my Brenda, you're the only girl for me, and I'm yours exclusively. Oh, Brenda.
not only does this cover and protect the painting with its clear coat, a medium gloss, it will make the colors in the painting kind of brighten up more and brighten up the painting. So with that, well, we've got some good, more music, got good music playing. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. And hopefully you guys will be starting to see some of my videos here soon of Mom and her sunset walk along the beach. So right now I'm thinking too about a note to put on the back of the painting, and then this painting will go down to my client's beach house condo in Destin, Florida. So y'all have a good evening or a good day, depending on when you're watching this. Thanks for taking the time to watch it in entirety. And on Facebook, visit my group, The World of Peter Grant Fine Art. And hope you enjoy, and hope to hear from you guys. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.